This episode of Never Too Small is sponsored by Kamikoto Knives.
The villa is located in Kalolivadi, on the island of Kythnos in Kyklades, Greece. It was important for us to talk about Greek culture, aesthetics, and simplicity through our design. The client had some land on the island and wanted to create 3 private boutique villas with communal areas that can be used by all 3 villas. The 40 square meter houses are situated in such a way so each one of them can enjoy the magnificent Aegean Sea view. The houses have been constructed using local stone by local craftsmen and have been whitewashed, as this is a traditional common practice in Kyklades in order to achieve sun reflection and the best cooling conditions in the interior of the house. For the interior, the idea was to divide the space into 2 zones by raising the bedroom and bathroom using a couple of steps, and having the kitchen and living space in the lower part of the villa. The design lines are minimal, as it should be with Kykladic interiors. The main entrance of the complex is a stone archway, which is left in its natural color in order to stand out and also frame the white houses. As you enter the villa, you can take a glimpse of the view on your left. On your right, there is a niche, which is part of the kitchen. There is space for kitchen devices and a small hidden fridge in the bottom cupboard. The kitchen is in the same space as the living space. It is L-shaped and combines a kitchen counter and a dining bench. The kitchen is equipped with a 2-stove cooktop and a sink. We chose not to have a dining table in this villa, as the dining counter is very practical for a quick bite. As the villa has a generous outdoor area, it can also be used as a dining area. The living space consists of an L-shaped sofa, which is built into the villa. It is made from painted cement and birch wood in its natural color. It can convert into a double bed to accommodate an extra 2 people. On the ceiling, we even painted the wooden beams white, so it matches the all-white philosophy of the interior space. We added a wooden shelf to create a functional separation between the living space and the bedroom space, but with the visual connection maintained. The sleeping area is 2 steps higher than the living area. A bed base, as well as the bedside tables, were custom built into the space and made in the same way as the sofa. Above the bed is a recessed wall with a built-in lighting and a shelf. The bedroom also features an open wardrobe niche and an integrated desk overlooking the view of the house. It was a really important aspect of the design to combine materials, colors, and textures that create a unified, natural, and calm environment. The bathroom is next to the bedroom and is semi-open. We added frosted glass to divide the shower from the bedroom, which creates privacy but allows you to see the space around you. There is a vanity across from the shower and a toilet. Since this is a summer house, the exterior space is part of the living area. The wooden pergola provides some shade. It also creates beautiful shadows depending on the time of the day. On the other side of the pool is a bench and a built-in planter, which is a great spot for a morning coffee or some drinks by the pool. We left small openings in the walls for small visual connections with the common spaces. The natural stone on the floor, which is very popular on the island, creates a sense of familiarity. Small spaces are very interesting and challenging. You can't afford to waste space. Every centimeter is important. We believe that everything is possible and nothing is too small, as long as you take advantage of every opportunity each space can provide. There are always opportunities when designing small spaces. It's like a puzzle, connecting tiny pieces to create a functional space.
Kamikoto makes high-quality Japanese steel kitchen knives using more than 800-year-old traditional techniques from Honshu, Japan. Each Kamikoto knife goes through a vigorous 19-step process, is individually inspected by expert bladesmiths, and has a lifetime guarantee. These are the knives that are used by Michelin-star chefs all around the world. We have been using a 3-piece Kampeki knife set that comes with a nakiri vegetable knife, slicing knife, and a utility knife. We have loved using the 7-inch nakiri vegetable knife to up our game in the kitchen. The flat edge of the knife makes a full contact with the cutting board, delivering consistent, clean cuts every time. It feels really quite nice. Each knife set comes in a heavy-duty Ashwood box, which makes it a great gift, especially with Valentine's Day right around the corner. And here you go! Kamikoto is running a Valentine's Day offer for Never Too Small viewers. You can get an extra $50 off on any purchase you make by heading to kamikoto.com/NTS and using the discount code NTS.
Thanks for watching. To receive updates on our latest episodes, please subscribe and click the notification bell. And if you're an architect or designer with a project we could feature, please share it with us at nevertoosmall.com/submissions.